I'm not coming back.
To start.
Come on, Jack.
That's it. What the king says. We'll let you catch it, Brad. Thanks for coming out there. We saw you enjoy your glory next to Freddie. Lovely to see. But what a good start this has been. It's Ducati in the front, but not what we expected. Martin struggling in second.
Yeah, I was actually shocked that Martin did not get the whole shot into one like Miller got a great launch off the line, got the whole shot off the Jorge Martin, and they have went ahead and separated themselves from the rest of the field here already. Going down the back straight, Big Kevin, they have got themselves a little bit of a gap.
Yeah, hopefully everybody can compensate for that wind and not see somebody get off of turn 12 too deep and cause any accidents. So it looks like everybody's safely through.
Bastianini got a good start. He's up to third.
Yeah, and it's another one of those that just gets cracking starts. What really surprised me too is the Yamaha usually doesn't get a good start, but Fabio seems to hold his position right there in P5 as he's sandwiched by the two Ducatis, Pecco Bagnaia and Johan Zarco.
Going into 16 and going where Cameron Beaubier had his issue, I think the wind's probably something that also cut him out. Maybe a bigger gust than typical, but I mean the wind's been blowing.
Uh-oh.
Big lunge down the inside.
Got him.
Martin's going to make no waste of it. And turn 19, he's going to get around.
Move.
And they're going to go and sneak an AF Bastianini into this battle.
Which Ducati's faster?